Hello everyone, so for today's video, I am going to show you the room that we booked when we stayed in Casubi in Calatagan, Batangas. They have two types of accommodations here. They have the cabins and the cocoon. But since dalawa lang kami ng jowa ko, syempre we booked the cocoons. So this is the place kung saan located yung mga cocoons room type nila. Right now, andito ako sa room na kinuha namin, which is the cocoons. And ipapakita ko sa inyo yung labas. Yung view ko from here. Actually, maliit lang tong room eh. So, from here sa bed, eto na yung door. Yan yung view ko. Pag wala yung curtains. Ayan, diba? Ang cool. Paglabas mo ng room namin. Ayan. Ayan yung room. Ayan. Ito yung room namin.